morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell, often in the evenings for after hours reports as well. Everything you see here is live. Everything you see here is real. This is my real life savings, my real money. I'm not a financial advisor. In fact, I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio. This is where I am live every day. We've raised over $1 million on my music channel. And by daytime, I like to go live here in the Day Trader studio and trade for my future investments. So one day I might be financially free and prepare for my retirement. And that's what we're doing here. And every day we are joined by traders around the world, from very small traders to very large traders. They're all here. They all share with you their honest trades, what they're actually doing. We're not influencing the market in any way whatsoever. This is my real money. In fact, I only have a few $1,000s extra in the bank, about 5,000, which is there to pay the internet, the electric bill, and so on. My mortgage is paid off, so I can invest in the markets, and that's what you're seeing right now. My journey started 9 months ago with $5,500. And that's what I've grown my portfolio into. In the last few months, of course, we've had the war, we've had the Fed, we've had inflation, we've had COVID, and all that to contend with. But I still think we've done pretty well indeed. So welcome to all of you over there on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, the home of our show is here on YouTube. As you can see, we're doing pretty well right now. The markets are up today, 2.89%. Very, very nice indeed. And yesterday we were up 7%, so that's 10% in a day, 24 hours. So very, very good. We're very, very happy with that. Looking a lot better. All right, let's get straight into the trades. Look at what I'm investing in. Look at what's going on, and welcome everybody in. iDrop is here. Hi, Martin. Lovely to have you here. Bill, good morning to you. What do you think the Fed will make the market go bull or bear? Well, to be quite honest with you, what's happening right now? Hi, Ali. What's going on right now, I believe, is the amount of the rise we've got now, I would say, has more to do with the war than anything else. There is potential peace talks going on, or at least alleged to be. So that's, I think, what's driving the markets. You've had massive sell-offs, mainly because of the war. So I think, personally, what we're seeing right now is a bounce back. Now, as long as that goes well, this could continue. SoFi is down, though, today. Let's look at SoFi. That's down 1.46. And Vanguard, my S&P, which I'm moving more into, is now up 2%. It's 22.25% now of my portfolio. Look at that. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I've got 22 shares. It's 12.5% of my portfolio. Tesla is up today, 2%. I'm now up 1.58. Rivian is up 3.51. I'm still down, though, but I made money on it, if you remember, when I sold it down. Virgin Galactic is up 2% today. I'm just down 0.5%. Amazon is also up today, 0.85. I'm now up 4.37. Twitter is up 1.88. Let's have a look. Nvidia 2.66. Palantir is up 1.76. And Meta is up. Let's look at our crypto as well. Bitcoin is up today, 3%. I'm currently out of Bitcoin, as you all know. I've sold all my Bitcoin. I've sold all my Ethereum. I'm giving away all my Shiba Inu. If you want to come and win some of my Shiba Inu, I'm giving it all away. Join me here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Or you just have to click the All Links button. It will take you straight to my website, and you'll see the two live feeds, Martyn Lucas Music and Martyn Lucas the Day Trader. And you can click on the one where we're live right now, which is the Day Trader, of course. Come and join me and be a member, and you can get some of that free Shiba Inu I'm giving away every Friday. Okay, let's get straight back into the trades. First of all, I want to apologize for being late this morning. I apologize. Woke up this morning and everything needed updating. Every device, and in here I've got 14 screens, 3 computers, 2 iPads, 2 iPhones, and they're all working, they're all doing their thing. and they all needed updating. So you said look at Tesla. Yes, Tesla's starting to fall right now, but up 1.63. I'm up 0.64 now. I'm at $51. I've now got 10 shares of Tesla because I bought the dips and I love it, and can't wait to see it go over $1,000 again. All right, it's just falling back right now though. Let's see where it goes. We are 2 minutes before the bell goes. 2 minutes before the bell goes for full trading. Are you ready? 2 minutes to go. So let's see what happens this morning. Everything is up. Where's it all going to go? We're still holding up though. Let's. I'll bring in the 1 minute clock when we get there, and then we'll get ready for the bell. All looking good this morning. All looking good. I will share with you the news as it comes out as well. Breaking news from the BBC and Sky News. If we get any breaking news, I will bring it up for you as well. Okay, let's bring that into the show right now. We've got just a minute to go. Coming up to a minute now. Here we go. Are you ready? Before the bell goes, what's going to happen this morning? We'll find out very shortly. 3, 2, 1, and we're off. 1 minute to go. Where's the market's going to go now? Let's have a look. Very, very exciting stuff. Good morning, Alex. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Alex is here, one of our sponsors. And when our sponsors are in, we'll mention those after the bell goes. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a subscribe. Ring the bell. There we go. Give us a thumbs up as well. That'll be fantastic. We want 20 likes before the bell goes. We are quiet at the moment because the clocks have gone forward, but not in the UK. So some of our audience don't join us as early as we normally used to. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the bell is rung and we are off and running. Let's see where we're going to go now. So let's go back to the main portfolio. We're up, still up 2.7. Now let's have a look. Root is up 1.97. Let's correct over on TikTok. That's much better. There we go. SoFi is now up. SoFi is moving up. VU is up, just holding there at 0.9. Tesla is dropping back. It's still up 0.8. Where's it going to go next? Rivian is firing off 5%, 6%. Wow, we're getting a massive rise here on Rivian today. Wow, there we go. As you all know, I sold my first 100. We're making money with Rivian. Look at this. We're about to make money with Rivian. Very, very close. 6. That's a big rise this morning. Rivian is up 6%, 7%. There we're $3 away. Just a couple of cents away now from making money on Rivian. Did not expect that this morning. There we go. I'm up. We are up now 1%. Wow, we're getting a massive rise here on Rivian this morning. Massive buyback. This could be war, to do with the war. People have sold out high-risk stocks and buying in at this low price. There we go. Look at it rise this morning. That will make a big difference. Yes, look at that. My portfolio is now up 4%. 10% yesterday. That's 14% in 24 hours. That is absolutely huge. SoFi is pumping up. VU is going up. Tesla is going up now. And Rivian is flying today. Absolutely flying today. Look at that. We are really pumping up this morning. Virgin Galactic is up 3.5% as well. We're making money on Virgin Galactic again. Amazon is up. I'm up 4% on Amazon now. Back to the 3,000 nearly. Twitter is up 3%. Nvidia is up 1.37. Palantir is up 2.6. Facebook is up 2%. Wow, we're getting some growth this morning. Gores Guggenheim is now up today, 1.1. Can you look NEO? I can look at NEO for you. Yes, NEO, N-I-O. There it is, NEO. It's not one of my stocks. I don't invest in Chinese stocks. But wow, 19% today. NEO is up 19% today. Congratulations, iDrop. Look at that. That's a great rise today. Look, we'll keep it open for you so we can come back to it. If you want an update, just ask me in the live chat and I'll bring an update for you. Over on TikTok, How you doing this morning? Join us here on YouTube. It's very, very easy. Just go into youtube.com/the Day Trader 1, or you can simply go here and click my links. The all links button will bring you to the live video of YouTube, or you can also do it through the Instagram icon. There's the YouTube link right behind there. Wow, what a morning this morning. Can't believe these rises. So this is why I've been using my my leverage, my margin to buy these dips. I don't like using margin, but when we've had a situation like the war, when it has nothing to do with the performance of a stock, it's got everything to do with global news, I bought the dips, and now we're seeing the benefits big time. Big time. The portfolio is up today 3.5%. We were up 10% yesterday. Root is up 2.5%. SoFi is up 0.5%. VU is up 0.94%. Tesla is just holding at 0.5% up. It stopped its rise. But the big story of the day, without a doubt, has to be Rivian. It's up 6%. It was 8% a few moments ago. Let's look at crypto. Bitcoin is up 3% today. Ethereum is also up 2% today. Coca-Cola is up 0.07. Google is up 1.5%. 1.29, sorry. Apple is up 0.43. Boeing is up 1.64. Rolls-Royce today is still down. It's up 0.82. Let me call out people on TikTok. Crazy Rivian stock. What did you say there? Carp Couch. Stocks at 40. They were pushing 120 a week after release. Glad I got out at 100. The reason is for that is Rivian was only ever worth $20. When it first opened, people were buying the excitement, and I traded it. I even bought it at 100 and sold it at 170. I was out. I've now bought back the dips. It was never worth 170. It was only ever worth 20, and that's why I've bought the dips. And I've already made money on it when it popped up to 40 the other day, and now I've bought the dips again. So that's how to make money with Rivian. It was never worth 170, what people were buying it. It was never worth the amount it pre-IPO'd at either. But this is a good time to get it. All right, let's look at our overall portfolio right now as it's starting to calm down a little bit. Good afternoon, everyone. Sophia, how are you, Sophia, over there on TikTok? My TikTok army are all banging the screen with 2 fingers like that. If you tap the screen with 2 fingers, it shows it to more people. And if you do that, I call your name out and promote you as well. All right, I promote your TikTok channel. All right. You'll be on here on this is our YouTube. This is our YouTube broadcast. And if you tap the screen and you highlight your name, I put your name on YouTube here and promote your channel for the world to see. All right, Neo is up 18% today, just slowing down now. All right, we had a mad open this morning. Let's look at our breaking news. Let's see if there's any news that we can bring you. Let me play it for you if there's any news at all. Yeah, we've got some news coming out of Ukraine. Let me bring it to you right now. Here we go. Let's see what we have here this morning for you.
You know, get to see Gabriella again and a bit more space to deal with it psychologically.
And in parallel with this great news that she has been released.
Okay, we're talking about that person who was released. I can't remember her name now, I do apologise, but it's not Ukraine news, so it doesn't affect the markets. So I'll come back to that if I get that. We've got Zach here. Good morning, traders, from Uganda. There he is. Do you know when Fed will talk? We've got it. We're watching it, and it'll be on CNBC, and I will bring it to you. So let me dial it in now. Thank you, iDrop, for mentioning it. Let me go to CNBC. As soon as the Fed talk, I will bring it to you live as we trade. So let's go CNBC, CNBC live, and we will bring that up with you. As soon as it comes up, we will bring it to you. All right, latest headlines and events. It's not up yet. As soon as it comes up or anyone notices it before me, let me know and I will bring it into the show live. All right. Okay, great. Let's get back now to the main trades. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Somebody over there on TikTok was just doing something. I missed it. Whatever you were doing on TikTok, then do it again. I missed it. I was looking the other way. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. That would be absolutely great. Let us know you're here by coming into the chat, and that would be absolutely wonderful. All right? Okay. If you are coming over from TikTok and you want all the free stuff that we give, I get sponsored by a lot of people and they give me stuff to give away. And every Friday we give away a cash prize, but we have free crypto to give away. We got some great offers right now, some free Apple stocks to give away. Yep, we have some free Apple stocks from WEBULL. I've got some great offers for you right now over here on YouTube. So I'm going to give you the all links button, and if you go and look on the all links button, look at all the brokerages that I've got: ETORO, COINBASE, WEBULL, Robinhood. Some great stuff to give away. Go and set up an account. It's free, and you can claim, using my account, you can claim some free stocks. All right, and I will share with you what I get, and that'll all be good. If you want to be a member of the channel and receive many more benefits, here is the invitation to join as a member. And you'll see nearly everybody in the chat is a member, and you can tell that because they have a badge after their name. For those of you who got a green badge, you only joined less than 3 months ago, your badge will turn gold soon, and you will reap some more benefits. All right, okay. NEO is falling back a little bit now. The portfolio is up 3.5%, just peaking a little bit. But that's okay. Root is still up 1.64. I'm still out of the money, just to let you know. SoFi is flat today. Rose up, but flat. Now, Vanguard S&P 500, I received dividends this morning, which I've automatically put in. William Karam, good morning, William. Huge love to William Karam. He's one of our members here, one of our new members, and yesterday, I think it was yesterday or the day before, he gave a $100 donation to my YouTube ad campaign to send music and messages and a positive broadcast every day to Ukraine. And thank you very much indeed for that, William. As did Muzanella, by the way. I want to thank him as well. All right, let me show you how that's going as well. I know as you made that donation, you'd want to know where your money is going and what it's doing. And I will bring it up for you now. And you can see how many people have received that video because of you. Remember, my audience is not in Ukraine. My audience is American, and the only way I can reach them is through Google Ads, and that's exactly what we've been doing. So here is the campaign for William Karam. Over the Rainbow was the song, and as you can see here, I'll go into the budget. You can see he donated $100. You can see it on the screen there, look, $100. All right, and what's that done? I will show you what that's done. Over the Rainbow, you can actually see where it's gone and how many people have seen the video. Overview, hang on a minute, bear with me, I'll come back to that. There we go, I've got it working now. There we go. Out of the $100, $15 has been spent so far, but it will go all the way up to 100 by the end of the month. That's what happens. 6,000 people, and you can see this is just for the people of Ukraine. Look, just in Ukraine, Russia, Germany, look, Italy, nothing. Just in Ukraine. And you can see in the city centre of Ukraine, 483 people have seen the video. The majority, over 1,000 now in Lviv. And that is all thanks to William Karam. And you've seen the video, you've seen what I'm doing, you've seen what the message is all about. And that's because of you, sir. And you know the response it's had because those people have messaged me during the live broadcast and said thank you. While they were being bombed, they were listening to my music, and that's because of you, William, and they said thank you. So you literally did affect real people while they were being bombed. It's an incredible thing. And anyone at all who makes a donation through PayPal, it's martyn@martynlucas.com is my PayPal. I spend exactly what you give me. I show you what I do. And 100% of your money goes directly to Google Ads. So there's no middleman. I don't use Sprizzy or anything like that. I do it directly myself. And it's the only way I can reach those people in Ukraine. I will never make any money from the videos. It's all copyrighted music. It's not for me. In fact, I don't even put the subscribe button on the screen. I'm not asking people to subscribe to me while they're being bombed in Ukraine. We're simply sending love, music, support, messages, and that's it. And you guys are the ones that are funding that and making that possible. I did my own investment. I put $400 on. That's all I can afford. And the rest has come from you. Right, okay, let's have a look. We're up 4.5% now. Neo is just holding, actually. We're at 4.5%. This is great news today. Root is up 2.63. I'm still out on the money by 6%. SoFi is holding at 0. Vanguard, my S&P, is up 1.42. I'm up 2.5% now. Now, remember what I said. Margin, I never use margin, but I am using margin now. And the reason why I'm using margin now is because I can borrow money from Robinhood at 3% a year. It was 2.5%, it's now 3% because inflation, interest rates going up. And the S&P over the last 10 years, 90 years does an average of 10% a year. The last 10 years, 20%. Now, in the last 3 months, we've seen a 30% drop to my portfolio. But the S&P has only gone down 10% over that time. So you can see how much more robust it is. So I have bought put a lot of my money into the S&P. In fact, 12 and nearly 13% of my portfolio is now in it. And as I make money, I take money off the top and put more in. I'm getting this up to 20% of my portfolio. And because we have bought at such a dip, I anticipate that this will rise 10, 20% over the next 6 months. So that would be great. And I'm only paying 3%. So I think that's a very good way of looking at it. That's what I'm doing. It also gives me stability to my portfolio. It's what's driving it up at the moment. All right. Okay. And my margin call is $22,000. So my portfolio's got to go down by nearly sort of 40% from here. It's already gone down 30% in the last 3 months to hit a margin call. I can't see that happening. I can't see that happening at all. I mean, if that happened, I think there'd be bigger problems to worry about. But anyway, that's why I've done it. I don't recommend anyone do that, of course, but I'm just telling you what I have done. And this is my real money. All right, now, I've got 10 shares of Tesla. I don't want more than 10% of Tesla. I think that's a good amount in your portfolio. So as this rises back to 1,000 or 1,100 or somewhere like that, which I'm sure it will do, I will trim off the top and I will sell a couple of shares and put that money into VU. Now this morning I had several of my dividend stocks pay out, and I've done automatic reinvestment of the dividends. So the dividends is free money. I haven't sold the stocks. Free money. It's gone straight back into those shares where it was earned from. It's gone straight back in. So that's what I'm doing. Now I know doing automatic dividends isn't the best thing to do. One of my dividends this morning was $8. All right, it was $8. Okay, I think it was McDonald's or something like that. And what I could have done is waited for a dip, because obviously we're up today. But we're up today on the back of a 3 months drop. So it's still a good time to buy in. But it is better to manually do it. But if you manually do it, very often the money gets lost. You know what it's like? If you say, I'm going to save $10 a week. You know, I'm going to save $10 a week for Christmas. It's only $10. I'll save $10 a week. Unless you set up an automatic payment, you probably won't do it. And even though you might be able to do it at a better time, chances are you probably won't do it. You'll forget to do it. So, you know, that's what happens. So I've set up automatic dividend reinvestments, so that way I make sure the money keeps going back in. Right, if you've just joined us, click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. And we appreciate that very much indeed. All right, how's everybody doing on TikTok? What are your thoughts on Intel? Microsoft? I've got shares in Microsoft. Is that what you mean? I've got actually my shares of Microsoft are through my Vanguard S&P. because the Vanguard S&P, which is VU, invests 6% in Microsoft. So 6% of my VU is actually in Microsoft. I'm not in Intel itself. Anyway, everybody over on TikTok, thank you ever so much indeed. If you want me to promote your channel on YouTube here, this is YouTube. If you want to get more followers to your TikTok channel, just double tap the screen, highlight your name, give me a rose just so I know I know you're there. I notice you, and I'll put your name up on the screen here on YouTube, and everyone can see who you are. All right. Okay, let's have a look right now. We're up 5.5%, 37,000. Wow, 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 wow. 10% yesterday, 5% today. Remember what I always said? My portfolio was at 58,000 and it dropped off. It took like what, 6-7 months to get there. It could return there. It could return there within 2 or 3 days. It's like muscle memory. When you train and get fit, you can come back a lot quicker than it took you to get there in the first place. Because the stocks are bigger companies than they were 3 months ago. It's just that everyone's sold out because of the war. Well, if the war suddenly comes to an end, and we get great news, and all of a sudden the war's over, the stocks are going to pump like you've no idea. Because everyone's going to buy in, and it's going to fly off the shelf. So there you go. We're up 5.5% today, 10% yesterday, 15% in 24 hours. That's one hell of a bounce. SoFi is up, still down 12%. So as you can see, I'm not buying in the stocks right now. I've already bought in. I'm enjoying the ride up now. I'm not buying this right now because you can get caught out chasing the stock. We've learned that lesson before. You don't want to chase the stock. I've got enough invested. I've got all my cash invested. I've got margin invested. And what I'm trying to do now is just make profits. And I will trim off the top, but I won't take any profits. I'll put it into other things. That's what I'll do because I'm trying to grow my portfolio to 200,000, which will pay me 10% a year, which gives me 20 grand a year, which will be my income in the next 5 years. As I get older, I want to earn 20 grand a year to do nothing. That's the idea. Right, the chat has gone a bit quiet. If you're here, come into the chat. Let me know. Let me see who's here. Since the clocks went forward, our audience is less because a lot of people in England don't join us till later. So it's unfortunate, but that's how it is right now. So if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. But also come into the chat and let me know you're here. I want to see who's with me this morning. Rivian is... there we go. Bill's here. Beetle Sean here. Let me bring everyone's name on the screen. You're all a bit quiet. Martin Redding is here. You're all busy making money, right? I can see what's going on here. Martin Redding is here. I'm here, but trading Forex. There we go. Trading Forex. Ali, welcome. Yeah, clock's changing in 2 weeks. I look forward to that because my audience will come back. I noticed my audience has gone quiet since we went earlier. So that's what's happened. My audience it's not the most convenient time. When you go on YouTube, you find an audience because it's convenient for them. Your audience are on YouTube at a certain time and they find you. And when you suddenly change your times, your audience will change. Good morning. Deep in the Money is here. We're having a great morning. Jacob Gamble is here as well. I tell you what we'll do. We've got a reasonable audience right now. It's also warmer. So what does that mean? Everybody's outside. All right. Low volume today for my trading. Low volume. We're seeing explosive volume today. Deep in the Money. Incredible day today. We're up 10% yesterday. At 5.5%. That's 15% we've been up in 24 hours. Incredible. Root is flying off 5.26. Still out of the money. SoFi is still moving up. Let's look back at our crypto. Crypto is up. Bitcoin's up 3.5%. I'm out of it right now, but I'm going to keep an eye on it though. If it flies off, it flies off. It doesn't matter. People get a bit excited thinking they have to hold crypto to make money. That is not at all the case at all. You can make money on stocks and shares just the same. So there you go. Let's have a quick check of where we are right now. I've got 33 people come through the show so far, and it's time to hear from our sponsors. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And I'm back. There we go. Quick commercial from our sponsors. And we will hear from Nudge It, Budget, Move It very shortly. Oh, Rocket Man, here from the start. Rocket Man is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks ever so much, Rocket Man. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to you. Have you claimed all your free stocks yet that I give away through my brokerages? Loads of free stuff. It's on the All Links button. I hope everybody has clicked it. I've created one button on my website which gives you all the links. Just scroll down and have a look at all the free offers. There are some new ones right now. Got some Apple stocks to give away by you setting up a WEBULL account and also a Robinhood account. It's free to set it up and you can get some free stocks. And also if you want to become a member, you've got a lot more benefits on top of that as well. You all know the benefits you get as a member. Check out the perks page and you will see many, many perks. One of the things I'm doing right now for my silver members, by the way, if you're a silver member or upwards, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. These are my members right here, and we try to grow your audience. Today is Mark Corn. We've got Mark Corn up to nearly 1,000 subscribers. He's just 3 away. Now I know Mark Corn isn't here, so I can't put his link on the website. In the show. I'd like to, because he's only 3 away, and we've got some people in the chat today I don't think they're subscribed to him, so I can't put it on the screen because for a silver member perk you have to be here for me to share your link. But Smash the Like is here. Smash, am I going to be the first? Smash the like. Oh, he is here. Right, let's do it. Oh, I can't write smash the like, Robert. Am I going to be the first? Yes, I'm the first. That was close. Now, Smash the Like is one of our regulars, and Mark Corn is one of our regulars and also one of our members of the family. Wow, we're 6.5% now. Look at this rise this morning. So, let's get Mark Corn live in the show to 1,000 subscribers. We only need 3. Here we go. Everybody, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it now. I'll put it 3 times in the chat so you can see it. There it is. Subscribe to it. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers live on the show. Let's get that now. If you are over on TikTok, help our friend out. Strive, drive, and survive. Look at that. And this is what everybody on TikTok can see. So I'm also
and intensive efforts over the.
I'm also promoting your channel on TikTok. Sorry, I'm also promoting your TikTok channel on YouTube as well. Let me bring it up. You'll see it right now. All right. There you go. It's on the screen. Okay, you ready? Let's see if we can get him up to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it, buddy. I know, mate. You remember the family? That's how it goes. That's how we roll. That's what we do. Okay. Let's get back now into the trades. Let me refresh the screen. 997. Who's going to be 1,000? Come on, let's do it today. Let's do it today. 998. 998. Come on, guys. We need 2 more. Who hasn't subscribed? I know everyone's done it. We need a couple of new people to come into the show just so we can get into 1,000 subscribers. Ah, what a great day that would be. It feels good when you hit that 1,000. That is half then of what you need to do to monetize. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. The watch hours we can help with as well. Oh, Root is up 6.58. Look at Root flying off today. I just got in Jacob Gamble. Jacob Gamble has just done it. Let's have a look. Where are we now? 998. 2 to go. And then what we can do then is we can help Mark Corn. 999! 999! 1 more subscriber. And we have Mark Corn on 1,000 subscribers. 999. Look at that. Mark, have you are you a silver member or bronze member? Are you a silver member or bronze member? You're bronze, aren't you? Why don't you become a silver member, and then you can make me a manager on your channel, and I will make you a testimonial video, and everybody will subscribe to it. Everybody will like it. Everybody will. You'll get a lot more subscribers then. Oh, you are silver. Have you made me a manager yet? Have I done that for you yet? Videos. I don't see me on here. No, I haven't made you a testimonial video, have I? So if you make me a manager on your channel to martyn@martynlucas.com, my main email, here it is. I'll make you a testimonial video, and during the busiest time of our show, as a silver member, I'll do. You haven't got round to it yet. You haven't got round to it yet. What's going on with you? You want to get 1,000 subscribers? What's wrong with you? 998. He's just lost one. Who unsubscribed? Who unsubscribed from him? I can't believe someone did that. We're 2 away now. We were 1 away. Right now, Root is up nearly 7% today. SoFi is at 1.34. VU is at 1.33. Tesla is now 275. Well, I was ill. Well, I was ill. Except you spelt it. Well, I was ill. Come on, get yourself. Probably a bot. Yeah, probably a bot. Virgin Galactic holding 5.64. I'm up $200 today. Very, very nice. Could sell it all and then buy it back, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to at the moment. I'm enjoying this rise at the moment. I'm enjoying the rise at the moment. Neo is up 17%. We're showing Neo because one of you asked for it, and I wanted to bring that on the screen for you. Awesome stuff. That's just me testing out. You're okay. ARK is up 13% today. Everybody was having a go at me for buying my ARK. Well, there you go. I'm still in it. Let me open it up. Some of you were Market Profit was telling me do not buy ARK, and I bought more. I bought more of it, and look what happened. Let me show you right now what happened to it. Over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. Thanks for the follows. Loads of you are following me right now on TikTok. If you want me to put your TikTok channel here on my YouTube screen here, we're live on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, all at once. If you double tap the screen so your name highlights has given me likes, I'll drop your name on the screen here for everyone on YouTube to see. You get more followers, all right? Okay, ARK is up 6% today. I'm still down 12%, but I've bought a lot more. I'm happy with it. Good morning all. Probably a bot. Let's go back and let's see. Mark Korn, we're trying to get into 1,000 subscribers. One more time, 998. 998. We need 2 more subscribers. And the Queen of Self-Braiding is here as well. And the Queen of Self-Braiding is also a silver member. So we're going to promote her this morning as well. Let's go to the Queen of Self-Braiding. She's here this morning. Let me bring her up. 279. Now, if you've not subscribed yet to the Queen of Self-Braiding, here it is. Let's get her to 300 subscribers. I love this. Now, you may not have seen, but we actually made a testimonial video, and we've got another one coming up soon, which I will do. Where is the video? There it is. Oh, 87 views now. 87 views. Hey, this is the video. If you've not yet watched it, go and leave a comment as well. I'm sure you all have, because at 87 views, everyone's watched it. But I made a testimonial video for the Queen of Self-Braiding, and it's what we do if you're a silver member or upwards. Now, once we get into the busy time of the show, in about half an hour, I will mention Nudge It, Budget, Move It, our actual sponsor here on the channel, and do a commercial for him. Right, back to the trades. Neo is up, and over there on TikTok, and given I've given heaps of likes. Is that Frack? Hang on, I can't pronounce your name. Frack Talio Kaib. Why do you guys put such hard names? How am I supposed to pronounce that? Fractalio Kaib. Thank you ever so much indeed for the follow. Let's put you up on the screen right now. If you click the you want to pair up with me, right? You'll be on the screen with me here. So now you've given me some likes. If you want to promote your channel, all right, you do a joint live with me, and I put you on the screen here, and me and you will be together on the screen up here, and that's how everyone can follow you and subscribe to you on TikTok. It's how you can grow your channel. All right. So if you want to do that, just click the pair, and you pair with me. All right. Co-host. It's called co-host. I wonder if I can do it. I wonder if I can do it with you. You have to do it with me because I'm streaming. You have to do it with me, and I'll put you on the screen. All right? Does that make sense? Thank you, Deep. There we go. Probably a bot there. We've got Mark Corn. Yes, growing. Let's have a look. Did we get Mark Corn to 1,000 subscribers? 999. 999. Whoa, it's a great day. I will tell you, though, when I went through certain 279 for the Queen, I will tell you, though, Mark, when you hit 1,000, don't be surprised if you then drop a few. Until you get comfortably over the 1,000, it's what happens, all right? Just bear that in mind. You get to 1,000, then you're 998, and then it goes to 999, and it's what happens. But don't worry about that. ARK is now still moving. Root is now up 6.91% so far. If I get that invitation to share your... Yeah, man, another time. Okay, no worries. Just want to help you. Anybody on TikTok that wants to gain more followers, just do co-host with me, and I will share you on the screen on YouTube, and people on YouTube will follow you, and you'll see all sorts. It's great. And then we have a little boxing match as well. The boxing match is fun, and people on YouTube will often join in. So if you want to promote yourself on TikTok, very, very easy. He says, yeah, man, another time. He's probably on the toilet. That's what most people say to me. They're on the toilet and they can't do a live. That happens a lot. That happens a lot. So people tend to watch you when you're on the toilet for some reason. It's the most popular time to go on YouTube and TikTok is when you're on the toilet. You got nothing to do. You just sit there on the toilet. It's quite funny. CNBC, we're waiting for the Fed to go live. If anyone notices that the Fed have started talking about interest rates and so on, let me know and I will bring it up on CNBC Live in the show. All right, I was asked to cover NEO this morning, so we're keeping an eye on NEO. It's just holding up 16% today. Very, very nice. My portfolio's up 6%, 10 yesterday, which is 16% in 24 hours. If you've just tuned in, just don't drop your phone. Yeah, that's what happened to Ali, our fireman. Oh, yesterday, Ali, you said what was it? The fire alarm went off. Yeah, I've got a smoke alarm here in the house, and sometimes with the haze that I use, it does go off if I do too much. As you know, in the music shows, I do have haze, and it did go a little bit too much. So that's what happened yesterday. But it's fine. We're not having a fire. It's just my Nest smart smoke alarms do that. But I thought it was great that the firefighter, we're corrected now, not fireman. The firefighter in the house actually told me it was brilliant. I was so chuffed about that. Anyway. Rivian had a massive pump today, up today, 8%. Really, really great. I'm up now on that 1%. I'm going to hold it. I mean, I could take some profits today. Remember, the title of the show is also how to make $200 a day. So I could sell a lot of these stocks today and buy back a dip. It's a familiar sound to me. Recognize it a mile off. I bet you do. I bloody hope you do, Ali. If you don't recognise a fire alarm, we got no chance, have we? We've actually got no chance if the firefighter did not know what the alarm was. Anyway, 3% today. So on Bitcoin, Ethereum 2%. Now we are in one of those positions right now. 2% on Google, This is great. Really, really great. I've got the option now to sell out. Thought I heard my phone ring, but nothing. No phone's ringing. No one's phoning you. Deep in the money, you got no friends. No one's phoning you up today. Over there on TikTok, thank you for the follows. Yeah, if anybody here on TikTok, if you want to do a co-host with me, share your screen with me. I'll put you on YouTube. All you got to do is tap the screen and get some likes on the screen, and I'll accept it, and we'll have a bit of fun. I'm watching a show while building a new iOS game. I'm watching the hang on a minute. Mark says, I'm watching the show while building a new iOS game. I hate programming. Well, if you hate doing it, why are you doing it? You're building an iOS game, which is phenomenal, by the way. You're programming an iOS game, so I'm very impressed. Is it the day trader game? I want an app. Mark Corn, can you make me the day trader app? Can you make me the day trader app? Say you can. I want an iOS app, the day trader. It's for the people to enjoy. Thought I heard my phone ring, but nothing. It's for the people to enjoy. What do you mean, deep in the money? I hate programming. Good rewards. What you earn, you make good money from that. Sounds good to me. Congratulations, by the way. Very impressed you can do that. Aha, give me the time. Who knows? You can make an app. Tell Martyn for $3,000. I know a lot of people charge a lot of money for apps. That's why I've never had one. Just saying. Because I'd like an app, but I don't need an app. My life would not end if I don't have an app. I just thought it'd be cool to have one. But yeah, I can't afford $3,000. So if it's $3,000, I can't have it. Anyway, ARK is up 5%. I could make you a member for life. 5.94. Yeah, they do take a lot of time. That's why it's so expensive. I can imagine they do. How are you programming it? Are you doing it all by you're writing the code from scratch? Or are you using some kind of wizards or tools? Or are you able to write the actual code from scratch itself? Because I know there's two ways of doing it. Using apps and wizards and actually writing the code yourself. Because there are apps you can get which create apps. But obviously then it's a basic app because you're using the wizards. Like a website builder, you're using a template. Or you could be writing your own code. I don't know. I'm using Xcode to half and half. There we go. Half and half. There we go. Over on TikTok, what's this? What is this? What is this? I'll show you what this is. If you look on the screen now, this is my YouTube feed. I'm a day trader. And I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. And what you're about to see now is my TV studio. See that? Look. This is where I do live concerts, and from this studio, I've raised over $1 million for charities on my Martyn Lucas music channel, which on TikTok is Martyn Lucas, no number one, just Martyn Lucas. The day trader is Martyn Lucas 2, and by the daytime, I trade and I do day trading. And what you're seeing here now is my actual money, unlike a lot of YouTubers who tell you what they're doing and it's not really true. What you're looking at here is my actual money, my actual portfolio. And I've got a great team of traders with me in YouTube who trade every day. And that's what we're doing right now. We've got the most engaging channel on YouTube. It's quite small. We're only new, but everybody's here every day, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night. They're amazing, amazing people. And there we go. Let's get Sir Elton John on the stream. That'll be good. I've got Sir Elton John's jacket. So Elton John's jacket is down here, and if you want to see it, I'll put it on and sing Rocket Man, but you've got to give me a super chat tip if you want to see that. He gave it to me. It's the one he wore in Candle in the Wind. So I actually have Sir Elton John's jacket here in the studio. It's a white sequin tailcoat he wore in Candle in the Wind, and I will put it on and sing you Candle in the Wind or Rocket Man if you give me a tip in the super chat. All right? Jacob, that would be easy. YouTube make a lot public to adapt to. What did Jacob say? Probably a Martyn Live app. A Martyn Live app, that'd be great. That'd be easy. YouTube make a lot of public to adapt to. I'm not quite sure what you're saying then. I've got to translate your English. But I would love an app. Wouldn't that be great? Right, we're up 6% today. Have you seen the Rocket Man VR headset? No, I haven't. Right, now it seems a good time, by the way. Let me have a look at how many we've got watching right now. We've got 21 watching. This is good. I'm also slightly confused. I'm confused. We're all confused. Right. I've got to do something special now for Alex. Nudge it, budget, move it. Right. Can everyone like the video? We have to have 20 likes. We've only got 16 likes. There's 23 watching and only 16 likes. We need 20 likes. Everyone like the video. You're getting very lazy these days. Since the clocks went forward, everyone's got lazy. Smash the like button, and then I'll stand on my head and spin around on a spoon. All right? So if you want to see me stand on my head and spin around on a spoon, you've got to hit the like button. Oh. Huh? You tip me for that? All right, Leah. Leah said she will tip me. She'll give me a super chat. She will even like the video. 18 likes. There we go. We're getting better. She said she will like the video if I stand on my head and spin on a spoon. Susan Isles, which is the sister of Ali, for those of you who don't know. Oh, Jacob Gamble's put a spoon. I can do it. I tell you what. I've just thought how I can do it. If I get likes and a super chat, I will stand on my head and spin on a spoon. I've decided. I've worked it out how I can do it. I've worked out how I can do it live on the show. Stand on my head and spin on a spoon. I've just thought about it. It ain't that difficult. I can do it. But I have to have a lot of likes. All the likes are going up. There you go. Deep in the money. Bots. What's bots? What's bots? What's going on with your bots? There's no bots here. We're all real. What are you on about bots for? Right, 6.6%. We're doing very nicely today. This is great. Root is up. Please stop. Please stop. Aesop's Fables. Stop what? Aesop's Fables? What are you saying stop to? I wonder what he's saying stop to. You need someone to talk to? You need someone to talk to? Aesop's Fables? What do you mean I need someone to talk to? I'm rambling. Oh, okay. Aesop's is saying I'm rambling. Tesla is up 3.6. What do you mean? Wait, stop rambling. Oh, hello. I'm being told off. This is entertaining. Oh, I see what you mean by bots. Ah. That's what it is. We got bots in deep. We got bots in the channel. Very clever bot though. He's off his rocker. Ooh, Aesop's Fables. It's talk about pre-market movers. That's definitely a robot, isn't it? I tell you what, robots are getting very clever today. They can have conversations with you, and you've got no idea. Oh dear, off your pop, Aesop Fables. Off your pop. Yes, I'm angry. Yes, I'm angry today. Why are you angry? Deep in the money. Why are you angry today? We're having a great day. Why is everyone so angry? Look, we're up 7.5%. The market is absolutely exploding. What's a memorable movie hang on, what's that? What's a memorable movie you watch, you never forget? Wizard of Oz. Mark Corners giving me a super chat. Oh no, I've now got to stand on my head and spin on a spoon. The feds are going to raise rates. Well, it's not affecting the market, I have to tell you that. The markets love it. Thanks for your ramblings. For your ramblings, Martin. Here's 79 pence. Where is Aesop's Fables from? Can we all ask Aesop's Fables where he's from, or she? Well, hang on a minute. Would someone explain to me what is going on here? The markets are absolutely exploding. We are up 7% today. Every stock is up. Are you telling me that's because the Fed, from the internet, I bet? Yeah. In South America at the moment. There we go. In South America. Well, welcome to you. My name's Martyn Lucas, voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I'm going to be very polite to you, even if you are a robot. This is my TV studio, and I've raised over $1 million for charity on my show. And during our daytime, I like to do live shows here and do trade for the world. There we go. Over there on TikTok, we've got a great audience. That's Cap. What's Cap? You guys are confusing me this morning. Vanguard, I can't believe what is going on here at the moment. We're up. The markets are... Give me a pick. Give me a pick. What's that mean? Market is just up to cover its arse when it drops. Cap mean a lie? Who's lying? Who's lying this morning? You guys are very confusing. Who's making lie? You really need to be clear in your chat. I need to know what's going on. So you think the markets are pumping up like this just so they can be dumped? What, every stock? Bitcoin's up 4%. Ethereum's up 4%. Every single stock is up. Google is up 2.5%. So you're saying everything is up so it can all sell off. I find that hard to believe. I have to say, I mean, look, we've got Rolls Royce is up today, 3%. That's got nothing, that's a UK stock. I don't see that at all. I think we're getting good news for the war. Let me check. Let me go to Sky News and look. I think even Shiba is up. Let's have a look. Russian forces shoot people lining up for bread. Zelensky echo. Oh my gosh. Well, that's not good, is it? Horrific Russian forces have killed 10 people queuing for bread. That's terrible. Ukraine president tells US Congress to remember Pearl Harbor and 9/11. Yes, he's right there. Journalist who staged fears for her safety but won't flee Russia. I got to be honest, I don't know why we're getting this. Where is Peru? Yeah, I don't know why we're getting this. Some tickets to buy and hold till 12. Deep in the money, that's Cap. Where is Peru? Deep in the money, what were you saying is a lie? What were you saying? Deep in the money, you said that's Cap, and Jacob said that means a lie. What were you saying is a lie? I'd like to know what you mean. Because we don't have any lies on this channel, none whatsoever. And if you've identified one, tell me. Look at the portfolio. The bot. Oh, yeah. Hey, I think it's great, though. Aesop's Fables, I think it's great. Aesop's Fables, have you subscribed to the channel? Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We've got 26 likes now. 26 likes. Right. I said to you, if I got a tip and I got some more likes, I would stand on my head and spin on a spoon. So I'm going to do it. I promised I would. Right? So I'm going to stand on my head and spin on a spoon. Okay? So I'm going to go and grab a spoon. I'm going to go and grab a spoon and stand on my head and spin on a spoon. You ready? You might want to clip this bit and share it. I'm going to go and grab a spoon. I've got my spoon. Stand on my head and spin on a spoon. Just going to finish my coffee. Are you married? Yes, I am married. I didn't know bots could ask you personal questions. Yes, I am married. My wife just made me a cup of coffee from a day trader mug. And you can buy one of these and order one of these and have it sent to you anywhere in the world. See, you got England and America, king of the microphone, because I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. And that is what that means. Martyn Lucas. All right. So in a minute, I'm going to stand on my head and spin on a spoon. Leah's going, no, you're not. I go, Leah, I've worked it out. I've worked it out. I can do it. Don't worry about it. ARK is up 7%. Hey, Bill. Root up 8.2. Now, what? Apparently, smash the bloody like button. Yes, there he is, Mike. Can you believe what's going on? We've got record number. We've got 27 likes. Amazing. 24 watching live. Absolutely amazing. And we've got record in the markets. Up 8%, 10%, yes, that's 20%, 18% in 24 hours. I think Asop Fables likes you. Hello, you've pulled. Get the coat. Diddy is up 40%, 44%. Amazing, Martin. I know, it's amazing. Right, really, really great day. Can't believe it. Right, so on the basis of that, because I am such a giving person, as you all know, whenever it's great for me, it becomes greater for everybody else. Because it's just what I do, isn't it? It's just, I know it's crazy. I should be more selfish and just take my own glory, but I don't. When it's like this, I do great stuff for everybody else. So guess what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do. You know what we're going to do. I'm going to click this button here. Because as you know, the reason why we exist is because of our members and our sponsors. And we've got a sponsor in the house. Are you here? Nudge it, budget, move it. Alex, are you here? Let me just check. Let me check Alex still in the house. Alex, you got to come back. This is your moment. Is Alex in the house? If you're not here, Alex, you're going to miss out big time. Oh, yeah, because we've got record numbers in the house today. Record numbers in the house. And if you don't come in now, you're going to miss. Yes, he is. Right, okay. So Alex is a sponsor. He pays $1 million a month to be a sponsor. So it's very, very important that we promote him. Otherwise, he might take his $1 million and buy a nice big yacht somewhere. So to prevent that happening, I've got to promote him. Right. So here's Alex. He's on 221 subscribers. First of all, everyone, subscribe to Alex on his YouTube channel. There he is. Hey, our robot, Asop's Fables. I want you to go and spam the hell out of Nudge It, Budgets, Move It. I want you to leave a comment, a like, a share, a tag. Leave 1 million comments. There you go. Everybody. He's on 221. I want to see that go up. 1 million ruples. Yeah, 1 million ruples. Yeah, 1 million ruples. That's right. That's what he pays to be a member, right? We'll come back to that in a minute. And if that hasn't gone up, there's going to be hell to pay. I'm telling you. There'll be hell to pay, right? But also, if you want a website, Nudge It, Budget, Move It, go and check him out. He's our sponsor. We love our sponsors. They're why we exist. I can mute you. You can mute me if you want. Don't bother me. I'm muted. I've been muted by Asop's Fables. I love you, mate. I love you. I love the little... by the way, I know what that is. That's those little mushroom things. That's like a reverse sort of like negative shot of mushrooms. Or it could actually be... It could be anemone from a marine ocean. Because I used to breed. I used to propagate coral and anemones. I used to do all that stuff. Soft coral and everything. Anyway. Rubles, not ripples. I knew what you meant. I know what you meant. Anyway, look. This is Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Everybody, hear it. If you want a website built to your budget and you want a money-back guarantee and you want to be able to talk to the guy who builds your website every day, he's live in the chat. You send your budget off to somewhere else, you never know what happens. This guy's here in the chat. You can ask him every day what's going on. Also, he does a money-back guarantee and he doesn't stop until you're happy. And also, he prides himself on getting back to you very, very quickly. Now, if you type in the wrong something wrong on this website, what happens? You get the 404 page, and the 404 page is very, very cool. Because when you get the 404 page, I'm just trying to make it happen now. You get this. You get this happen. All right, this is even cooler. This is how cool Nudge It, Budget, Move It is. It can build you the best website you've ever seen in your life with the money-back guarantee. And look, when the page doesn't exist, you get me in a spacesuit with my Tesla dragging around my favourite share, Virgin Galactic. That's what you get. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Let me go and check him out. Has he got any more subscribers? He had 221. Let's refresh the screen. He's now got 221 becomes 222. There we go. Gain another subscriber. I wonder if it's our bot. You might get spammed to death today. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Anyway, error, go 404, error 404. I've done it. There you go. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Back to the stocks right now. As you can see, we're up 8.5% now. I can't believe this. Apparently, we've had some breaking news from Deep in the Money. He was saying that the Fed have reported that the rates are going to go up. Now remember, the market works on confidence. It needs to know where it's going. Now, as long as the rates are okay and they're relative and they're not too much, that's okay. What we don't want, though, is not knowing what's going on. So I'm surprised that the markets are up so much, but that's why I use my margin. So this is kind of, I shouldn't be that surprised, really. I used my margin because Robinhood charged 3%. They were 2.5%. It's now 3%. And it's now gone up to 3%. And on average, you make 10% a year on the S&P 500, 20% the last 10 years. But for me, because we've had such dramatic drops over the last few months, wow, we're up on the week now as well. What about the month? 7% to go, and we can recover the month. Look at this, folks. Look at this rise today. It's absolutely huge. Look at that. It's one of our biggest rises. Wow. We are seeing one of our best. We are probably seeing our best ever day. Thanks, Rocketman2 for the sub. There you go. Rocketman2 for the sub. Good for him. 222. And don't forget, reach out. The contact details are on Nudge It, Budget, Move It. I posted it in the chat. Go and check it out. And Alex will reach out to you. He prides himself, actually. He's like me on that. He likes to get back to you straight away. And give him a chance to build your website. Baba Stock. Now, Peru Invest. We want to ask you. Everyone's been waiting for you to come in. Why has the market risen so dramatically today? Because apparently, not according to me, but according to, who was it in the chat? It was Deep in the Money. Deep in the Money said that the rates are going to go up. And he was angry. And I'm thinking, well, if this is what happens when the rates go up, I can't wait for the rates to go down. Can you explain why the markets have gone up so dramatically? He has said, what he said was, pump before the Fed. Yeah, I get that, but this is way over the top. I mean, nearly 9% pump. Are you telling me that everything is about to sell off now and we're going to lose everything? I mean, it could be, I guess. I mean, take profits everywhere. You could do that. I could do that right now. I mean, look, I could sell all my I don't know. Also heard good news from Ukraine. Yeah, to me, it's the war. That's what I said. I don't think the Fed can affect the market this much. For me, this is the potential of peace talks, and the war potentially has an opportunity to come to an end. That's why these markets would rise, and that's why I used my margin. You can see, look, I use quite a bit, look. Because at 10%, sorry, 3% a year APR to buy markets that have dropped 30%, to me, seems a good idea. But as long as you put that into stable stocks like VU, for example, which are very likely to, very stable. Latest talks getting closer to agreement. That's what I've read, yeah. Most likely a combination. Also heard good news, yeah, absolutely. Waiting to hear from Baba. Sorry, waiting to hear from Peru Invest. He's invested in Baba. Now, you know my thoughts on that. I don't invest in Chinese stocks. Because at the end of the day, Baba is the Chinese version, as I understand it, of Amazon. But it can be manipulated and dropped like a stone. Whereas, as you can see, all right, this is Alibaba. It's not really my sort of stocks, to be honest. I know it's a way to make money, but it's not. I like to feel comfortable. I like to feel comfortable with my stocks. Remember, I built this portfolio that if I slept for 6 months, I would wake up and be up. That's kind of why I've done it. Deep in the money is a joke. Configure right from left. Gregory the Great. Gregory the Great, how are you? Gregory the Great, that's a great name. Love it. Where are you from, Gregory? Right, let's welcome Gregory the Great in. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. It's voted by Elton John as the world piano man. In my music studio on the Martyn Lucas channel, which is the main channel of my music. I've raised over $1 million for charity on the channel. But what I like to do here is trade during the daytime when I'm not doing music. And that's what I do here. And we've built a brand new YouTube channel with the most engaging members in the world. These people that you see, nearly everyone is a member. See the badges after their name. And most of our people that watch every day, we have the most engaging channel on YouTube, and everyone will tell you that. And we're growing 15 subscribers a day. And we welcome you in. I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. But my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. And there you go. Deep on the money's on the screen right now. Let's see that there? Popping up there, right there. Anyway, welcome, Gregory the Great. You've got a wonderful welcome from everybody. Please let us know what city and country you're from. Wow, we're at 9% today. I have never seen a rise like this. To me, all those APR increases, fear, Chinese stock delisting fear and war fear is 80% gone. To me, all those APR increases increase fear. Chinese stock delisting fear and war fear, it's 80% gone. World's run on rich people, and they sold their stocks before the war, and now they're investing again. Exactly. Everybody sold out because of high risk and what's the word I'm looking for? Confidence, lack of confidence, and now people are buying back in. Now, what you say, know what you say about me. Turn the blue light a bit off the right to show better. Turn the blue light a bit to the right. Oh, I know what you're talking about. Thank you, Peru. Stocks discount is over. I bought 500 shares at BAB at 72 yesterday. Now, look, I agree. I think we've had overselling now for 3 months. Robinhood about to break resistance. Oh, let's have a look at Robinhood. Hood. Wow, look at that. Great. I've got 132 shares in it. About to break resistance. I'm not buying any more, just so you know. Don't want to chase the stock. I just want to enjoy the fact we're getting this rise. We've seen overselling now for months, and we're now getting it back in. 14.18 is a target. 14.18 is a target. Wow, look at it, 12.47. I'm still 21% down, though. I bought a lot of the dips. Didn't continue buying it, though. But, wow. PayPal. Look at today. PayPal's up 5%. Everything is soaring. on. Wow, 6% today. Rolls-Royce is up 4% today. Wow. Boeing is up 4%. It doesn't matter what you bought today, you're up. Incredible. 2.5% on Google. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, funny thing is, I noticed that when Coke is down, everything else seems to be up. I've noticed that. I don't know why that is. Over there on TikTok, good morning to you. Welcome to all of you. Thanks for all the follows. Thank you very much for all the follows. We're seeing a heck of a bounce today. What's everybody doing? We've not yet heard from Muzanella. Our biggest traders, other than Peru, aren't in the house today. What are they all doing? What are they buying, selling? Fusion. Bill, they didn't appreciate the will of the Ukrainian people. No, they didn't. You know I bought Ethereum today. I bought 1 ETH. I've sold out all my crypto. I see more potential in stocks right now. Right. I tell you what, it would be awful to see everything drop after this, wouldn't it? I mean, every single stock is rising. What do you think? Suddenly we're going to get everyone sell everything off. Few things now have come off the top. Yeah, look, a few things. Tesla, look, everything's certainly looks coming off the top. So what do you suggest? Sell everything now and buy everything back? Fed wordings at 2:30. Is that 2:30 Central or Eastern time? Right. Okay. Okay. So, you ready? Stand on my head and spin on a spoon. Stand on my head and spin on a spoon. There's my head. There's the spoon. Hang on, you can't see any of this, can you? Oh, wrong way around. There's the spoon. There's the spoon. And I'm spinning on the spoon. There you go. Don't say I don't stand on my head and spin on a spoon. This looks dangerous. The age-old problem of time in the market. Yeah. There you go. I just thought I'd make the point that I stood on my head and span on a spoon. Span on a spoon? Spinned on a spoon. Spin on a spoon? Span on a spoon? I have no idea what that even means. Let me change that a minute. All right, we're back in the house. This looks dangerous. What, me spinning on a spoon? Oh, dear. Right, I promised I would do it, so I did it. Spun on a spoon. That's it, spun. I spun on a spoon. There we go. Spin, spinned, spun. Correct. Right, back to the We're making thousands of dollars here, and all we're concerned about is whether I'm going to spin on my spoon or not. I can't believe it. Right. Let's, you know what time it is? Very, very quickly. We're going to day trader of the day. Find out who's won. We just got to very quickly hear from our sponsor very, very quickly. 10 seconds. You can skip the ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And I'm back. Oh, yeah. All right, if you've just joined today and you'd like to be a member to the channel, here is the all links. This is all free. This is all for all the free stocks you can get. Let me correct that. There we go. This is the all links button for all the free stocks, all the good stuff. Peel a tomato. There's no peeling a tomato going on here. We did that one, Bill. We're doing that anymore. Ethereum is on fire because today they're active the active final test net chain before they go live on Ethereum 2. 2.88. Oh, somebody wants to go live with me, do they? Somebody wants to go live with me. But you're not on camera. If you're not on camera, I don't go live with you. So if you're not on camera with you, I disconnect. There you go. You've got to go. You've got to be on camera if you want to go live with me. All right. Someone on TikTok thought that would be fun, but you got to go. You got to be on camera. So Ethereum is on fire because today they active final test net chain before they go live on Ethereum 2. Yeah, I'm waiting for another drop though. I'm out of Ethereum. I was in Ethereum, and I was also in Bitcoin as well. But PLTR having a little run. Who are the experts here? Who are the experts here, everyone? Gregory the Great. Well, Gregory, let me just give some full context, right? I'm not a financial advisor, clearly. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. That's what I do, right? But I started trading 7 months ago, and all I've invested is $5,500. And I've grown my portfolio. I don't believe in charts. I don't do any of that stuff. I believe in a completely different way of trading, and I've taken $5,500 up to 37. In fact, it was at 58, and the war and COVID destroyed it all, but it's all coming back again now. And my aim in my show is to make $200 a day profit. All my money is here. This is my real money, and we are joined by some great traders here, some very big traders, and Muzanella and Peru Invest are our two biggest traders. But what you see here compared to other channels is this is my real money. This is what I've really done, and I am here simply to bring a community together. That's why I'm here. I make hardly anything from the YouTube videos. I don't make any sensationalistic videos to get you to watch. No silly thumbnails about predicting Bitcoin going to $1 million or the end of the world or whatever. I just say the truth, share with you my real trades, my real money, and these people join us every single day. So we're a real, genuine channel. And we're here and we learn from each other. And I've grown my portfolio from listening to everybody, and everyone's done the same thing. We all learn from each other. So no one's an expert because no one has a crystal ball. But we learn from each other. And no one can predict the future. All the people that will tell you what a stock's going to do at a certain time, they don't know. They're just basing it on experience of what they believe to be the case. And we take all that information and we share it openly and honestly. We all share our ideas and have a nice community with lots of knowledge. That's it. Deeper the money. You're right. There it is. Hi, Martyn. I hope you're having a good day. Simon Jones. It's great to have you here, Simon Jones. Love to have you here. How much money you made today trading? Well, at the end of the day, my portfolio is up $2,600. I could sell the profits today and take that money, but I haven't sold anything today. My day trading and my long-term investing and my scalp trading and my swing trading is all built into one place. Now, we are seeing a drop right now. I could sell these stocks right now and take a profit. Yep, look at Virgin Galactic, look. It's dropping back right now. If I wanted to. But I'm not going to. I'm not going to sell everything and buy back again. I'm going to ride this one out. Gregory wants to know, who are the experts here? No one's an expert. No one's an expert. But we've got some very successful traders. We don't use the word expert because we don't want to manipulate or, confuse people or influence people in any way at all. We just share what we're doing. As soon as Powell's mic turns off tomorrow, rocket run starts. Now is the time to let it ride. That's what DCU thinks. I just bought 11,000 shares. IPOF. Remember, this is for long-term bets on merging SpaceX rumors. Oh, now we're talking. Now I'm excited. IPOF. IPOF. Social Capital This one. Social Capital Hedosophia H. As a development stage company. What is that? It was formed for the purpose of effecting a merger. Yes. Now, that's what I'm interested in. Social. You just bought 11,000 shares of IPOF. Okay. Remember, this is for long-term best on emerging SpaceX rumors. I'm an expert. Excuse me. Everyone's excited about this. When did this rumor start? It's been pretty stable over the last 3 months. That's been very stable. Look at that. Very, very stable. But methinks no merger happens. Why do you think there's going to be a merger on merging SpaceX rumors? Why do you think that? That's very interesting. I like the look of that. What is your thoughts? I just bought 11,000 shares of IPOF. Remember, this is for long term. Best on merging SpaceX rumors. The company was founded by by Chamath. Oh yeah. Well, Chamath, he says a few things though, doesn't he? But methinks Chamath scares me sometimes. Yeah. SpaceX is a terrible idea to invest in. There is no, I don't think so. SpaceX, I'm totally into SpaceX. Yeah, I'd be quite happy to put money into that. The company was founded by Chamath and on July 10th, 2020, and its headquarters in California. Listed name is for IPO Social Capital. I like SpaceX, yeah, so do I. Okay. I like that. Yeah. I thought that as well. Elon isn't interested in taking SpaceX public. Doesn't need to, does he? Hello, Genius Bar, live music. Here he is. I'm tempted, look, to buy some shares of that. I'd like to know more. Peru Invest, can you tell me more? I've got 100 shares ready to go. Tell me more. Tell me why I should buy that. Chamath and Elon are best buddies. Is there any other way you can buy into SpaceX right now? Is there any other way you can get into SpaceX right now? Thank God for Elon. Only if you have 5 billion. Yeah, I've got 5 billion. What do you mean? No, SpaceX is private. Yeah, I know that. I know you can't buy SpaceX, but is there any other way? Like you said, this is a potential merger with SpaceX. That's what you're saying, right? So what I'm saying is there any other stock related to SpaceX? That's what I'm getting at. I know you can't buy SpaceX, but I'm interested to know, is there any other merger that would be involved? They have investors, but only that. Yeah, I know you can't. The likes of us guys here can't get in. I get that. Social Capital, Chamath, and I don't know. So we are seeing a bit of a drop now. I think buying ARK is the way, because if SpaceX goes public, it's 100% going into ARK. Yeah, I get that. I've got that as well. I'm already in that. Let's have a look. The stocks are just coming off their peak today. Can everybody welcome, I hear QQQ will involve space. Chamath stepped down from Virgin, that's right, and SpaceX split their private shares the same day. It's a big hint. Chamath stepped down from Virgin Galactic and SpaceX split their private shares the same day. It's a big hint. Let's see where you're coming from. I see where you're coming from. QQQ massive, only a tiny percentage. I've just bought 100 shares. I've just bought 100 shares. I kind of like that idea. That excites me. I like that. SpaceX is cooler than anything ever. Yeah, I agree. I like that. The name confuses me though. Hedda Sophia H. I mean, it sounds like a bloody alien. SpaceX need more shares to join. SpaceX need more shares to join IPOF deal, which they have now. Peru, if the rumor is true, do you have a projection of what that means for the stock? Would you go to space if Elon offered it? Yes. Yes, I would. I've just bought 100 shares of it. I like the idea of it. I have to say, I like the idea of it. So yeah, I bought 100 shares of it. Okay, that's now in my portfolio. 30x from now, best on valuation of SpaceX. 30x from now, best on valuation of SpaceX. I have to buy TRMB in ML account as a proxy for in my account, in Martyn Lucas account. Who wants to buy stocks in my account? There we go. Are we allowed to do that? Does anybody want to buy some stocks in my account? Send me the money via PayPal or Super Chat on YouTube and I'll buy the stocks for you. Is that legal? Are you allowed to do that? I have to buy TRMB in Martyn Lucas' account as a proxy for ARK because Merrill Lynch is still not allowing ARKX. TRMB could do well with fertilizer issues. We are close to have Russia agree on a peace deal with Ukraine. Look at the news. Okay. IPF would be $250 to $300 once they announce. I will make my profit. It's not legal, no. Why not? Why not? What's wrong with that? Why wouldn't that? I mean, I'll just do it and say, look, this is your stock here. You know, I just bought this and I'm up 44 cents, by the way. I've just made money on it, and I never make money when I first buy a stock, so that's optimistic. There you go, 100 shares of SpaceX. I'm gonna call it SpaceX. I need the SCH. I need IPOF to change it to SpaceX. Sort yourself out, boys. Change the name. Change the name to SpaceX. It's cooler. All right. Okay. Anyway, we're up 37. What was I just doing then? There was something I was going to do then, and I can't remember what it was. Subscribe, ring the bell. No, it can't be that. I've done that already. Click the thumbs up. Do that. Oh, yeah, day trader of the day. Right, here we go. Day trader of the day. Deep in the money. I love it. Let's have a look. I'll read this. Hang on. Read this. Like me says it's just an arse. Let's have a look. This message is held for review. Read this. I don't know what you're saying. Read this too. I can't see anything. Let me check. That's what I was going to do. I knew there was something I was going to do. It was the news. It was just check the news. Hang on a minute. War in Ukraine. Okay. Have I got any news? Nothing at the minute. I'll bring it to you. I'm looking at the news now. As soon as any news comes from Ukraine, I shall bring it to you. Me too. I got 100 shares. Rocket Man's done it as well. Peru Invest. Read this. Peru Invest. I don't see anything on the screen. I know why it is. I need to make you a temporary moderator. Okay, Peru. I'll add you as a temporary moderator, and now you can post. Now you can post the link. All right. Would you post it again? Zelensky said his negotiation position will get better with time. No deal coming now. I'm buying IPOF. Look, everyone's buying IPOF this morning. There we go. I bought it. SPCE 775. I'm up 2.5%. I'm not selling this. I think I'm just leaving it where I am now. We're pumping IPOF. Yeah, we are. The day trader has the power to take SpaceX to Mars. We can do it live here on the show. Thanks for the follow. What other platforms you on? I'm on. This is for Mimi Smythe. I'm on. Stop saying to the moon. We don't do to the moon. We've said that before. It's not a proper financial term. I post the link. Maybe I'm not a mod, so you can't see the link. Peru Invest. I've just made you a moderator, so post the link again. It's a weed company. IPOF. Post it again. Yeah, I'm on Peru Invest. Please post it again. For TikTok, I'm on WEBULL, COINBASE, eTORO, but my main account is Robinhood. All right, there we go. Now it'll come up. Thank you very much indeed. Open link in new tab, and I'll take you over to this screen here while I bring it in. It is for a space company. It is for a space company. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the information that you want. This has just been sent up to Alpha Centauri. There you go. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, here we go. So this is what we're reading right now, okay? IPOF stocks keep heating up as SpaceX SPAC merger rumors persist. Who will social capital IPOF, we can't say that word, merge with? Currently, there are multiple speculations to answer this question. On StockWits, message volume for the IPOF ticker has increased by 19%. Furthermore, several StockWits members are circulating rumors that Chamath Special Purpose Acquisition, SPAC, may merge with SpaceX, although the validity of this claim is purely based on speculation. Last year, Chamath helped take several companies public via SPAC, such as Clover Health, Virgin Galactic, so on and so forth. Will IPOF stock merge with SpaceX? A SpaceX merger with IPOF stocks would send shockwaves to the markets. What's more, chatter on social media is factoring in Chamath's interest in space travel because of the Virgin Galactic SPAC merger, adding more fuel to the flame. It's Chamath's announcement that he would be stepping down from the board of Virgin Galactic. As a result, investors are speculating that he stepped down to pursue a SpaceX merger. However, this is highly unlikely. Knowing Elon Musk, it's likely that he would favor an initial public offering or direct listing. In addition, SpaceX has also raised more than $7.5 billion in funding rounds with investors that include the United States Space Force and Spectre. Spectre, oh my God, that sounds like James Bond now. Until we hear confirmation from either side, the SpaceX speculate is most likely, well, just speculation. There it is, speculation. But you've heard the saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. I mean, you couldn't get more of a rumor than that, right? So there you go. The stocks are climbing again. It's a rumor so far. Deep in the money. to Alpha Centauri. I love it. I just posted on TikTok. Ali, what did you post on TikTok? Could you make me a moderator, please? Oh, Sue, how do I do that? Manage. Could you give me so I can start investing? I got Robinhood but no money on it. No, I can't just give you free money. I can show you how to make money. I started with $5,500. That was it. No one gave me any money, and I certainly didn't ask anybody for any money. Sell the bad rumor, buy the bad news. Chamath wants IPOF to join space-related company. I just posted on TikTok. There we go. Ali. Over there. I think I've done that. Susan Isles, you're using Susan Isles' account, right? I've clicked on you. Yeah, you're a moderator now. There you go. Ali Isles. There you go. I've done that. That's one of the perks as members. I only do that for members. You are a member here, Ali, over here on YouTube. That's why I've done that for you as a moderator on TikTok. I think you've done it. I have done it. I have done it. Sell the bad rumor, buy the bad news. Right. Okay, there we go. We're flat on it right now. We'll keep looking at it and we'll keep doing some more research into it. So 8% up now on the portfolio. We saw a slight. I will sort those inappropriate outs on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate it. I'm just I'm just starting out and small amount of money. Got any idea of tips? Well, what I suggest you do, Snowy. I'm from the UK too. I'm from Cornwall. What I suggest you do is come to YouTube and talk to our traders. It's how I grew my portfolio from $5,500 up to 38 live on the show. And also, if you come to YouTube, I can share a link with you and you can get some free crypto, some free stocks. I can't give you free money, but I can give you free stocks, which is worth money, which you can sell or reinvest. If you want that, just come into YouTube. The link's right here in the profile, right there, right behind the profile. Or you've got the all links button on my profile, which will take you to my live feeds on YouTube, and you can come on in. There's the Martyn Lucas live show, and there's the Day Trader live show. And I'm live right now on YouTube. If you come on in right now, I will share with you the links, and you can claim your free stock right now. So there you go. I will give you some free stocks if you want it. Where is my free stock? Where is your free stock? It's here on the all links button. You've got to go and claim it. All you got to do is set up these brokerages. Depends on your location, of course. Certain parts of the world, you can't claim certain things. But I've got eTORO, COINBASE, WEBULL, and Robinhood. If you're able to get any of those, the Fed meeting is at 2 p.m. Is that Central Time or Eastern Time? You told me you owe me some you told me you owe me some the last time. Okay, I'm going there now. All right. I don't owe you anything at all. It's what the brokerages will give you by setting up an account. All right? And if I get anything for you doing it, and it depends where you're from and what account you set up, then I will share with you what I get. And that's how it works. Okay? There you go. Does that make sense? Also, if anybody wants some free money, I am an affiliate for Amazon. If anyone uses my Amazon shop as a link to YouTube, I give you back 50% of the commission I get from Amazon. It costs you absolutely nothing. It doesn't cost you any more money. But here is my Amazon link. If you use my link to go to Amazon and let me know what you've bought in the chat, I will give you live in the show the money back that I get, that 50% of the money I get back from Amazon. All right? That is a member only thing, only for members. If you're not a member, it doesn't count. If you are a member and you use my Amazon link, there it is. You buy something on Amazon. It can be from my shop or just Amazon generally. It doesn't cost you anything extra. But Amazon give me a referral, normally like 5%, between 2, 3, 4, 5%, something like that. And I will give you 50% back live on the show. I will send it via Apple Pay, Google Pay, COINBASE, Robinhood, whatever. So you can get commission back from Amazon for free. It's something I do for my members. All you got to do is tell me what you bought using my link. And there is the link in the chat. All of these things are also under the All Links button. But if anyone does that, it's free money. So if you want free money, someone on TikTok said, how can I get free money? That's how you can get free money. Come to YouTube right now. Click on my Amazon shop, which is amazon.com/shop/Martyn Lucas. And use that, bookmark that, and use that as your entry point to to Amazon. And any commission I get, I will share with you on the screen. You can see exactly how much it is, and I will share it with you. Queen of Self-Braiding, I am here. We got an interesting one this morning. A rumour of a merger between IPOF and SpaceX with Chamath from Virgin Galactic. I got the tip this morning from Peru Invest. Here it is. And I bought 100 shares. Can we pump Mullen? I need to get out of this trade. Can we pump Mullen? We can pump Mullen. Of course we can. Let me go into here a minute. M-U-L-N. Mullen. Let's have a look. Mullen is up 4% today. I'm currently out of Mullen, but there you go. It's trading sideways today. Today it's up 4%. Can we pump Mullen? There you go. GoFundMe got $1,500, not enough for a new scooter, so I called a different repair place, local. The last failed 3 times to fix it. All right, Bill. Well, good luck with that. I'm sure someone can fix it. It doesn't seem to make sense that no one can fix it. I don't get it. Right, I'm up on my iPof at the moment. I'm up 50 cents on it, which I'll take all day long. Mullen, let's go back to our main portfolio a minute. All right, it's time for me to go, folks, because, as you know, I've got to go and do my Ukraine event. And for those of you that have been helping to support me, just as a reminder what that is, every day at 11 a.m. Central Time, which is 12 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 7 p.m. Eastern European Time, I do a live concert, a half-an-hour concert to our friends in Ukraine. And I have had people in the chat come on in, and say, we are listening to you in a bomb shelter while we're being bombed, thanks to SpaceX and Elon Musk's Starlink connection. Not SpaceX, sorry, Starlink. And it's quite powerful. And some of you, we've had Muzanella, and we've also had William Caron donate to the YouTube ads, which is how I do it. Because my audience is not in Ukraine. YouTube will not show anybody in Ukraine my show. So to do that, you guys have donated, and this is This is William Carom's donation. He donated $100. Same did Muzanella. And this is his campaign. So far, it's spent $15. It'll go all the way up to $100 over the next few weeks. And 6,000 people have seen so far directly in Ukraine, and Ukraine only. I aim it just at Ukraine. It's for these people here. So there you go. 483 in the city centre of Ukraine have seen it. Most have seen it in Lviv, because obviously that's the safest place of Ukraine, and they're watching it there while they're, taking shelter. So if you want to be part of that, 100% of what you send me via PayPal, which is martyn@martynlucas.com, I will set up your campaign, and those shows go directly to them. And that's what we do live every single day. All right. So, of course, I'll be back later on. When I come back, it will be the Fed speech, and we'll see how that affects the markets. Right now, everything is up record amounts today. Mullen is also up today, 5.6. Our portfolio is up nearly over 8% today. 10% yesterday. That's 18% in 24 hours. That's some growth, right? Now, is it a pump before the Fed sells everything off again, or is this the beginning of a recovery? There is potentially good news for the war. Potentially, we don't know that yet. Anyway, let me give everybody the link. Did we get Nudge It, Budget, Move It any more subscribers? Went from 221 to 222. Yep, stuck at 222. We gained another one today, but hopefully you'll reach out and contact him through his website. Here is the Martyn Lucas channel. Here is my next Ukraine event, and I'll be live. Here is the chat. I'll be live in 45 minutes from now. There is the link. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And just before we go, let's do Day Trader of the Day. Hopefully you can join me. So I am up today. Let's get everyone's score on the wall. I am up 8.2% today. I'll give you a 1-minute timer. Refresh the screen if you're behind, so you can be in the competition. Refresh your screen right now in case you're behind. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1 minute from now. Ali is up 5%. I still hold the lead. Go to your day, your main portfolio, your overall portfolio. Bill's up 1%. $2.35. I'm still winning. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Right, I think I'm still... Anybody else? That looks like time is up, so congratulate myself. It's funny when I win. Thank you very much to myself. Give myself a thumbs up and give myself a big round of applause. Oh, yeah. I am the winner. I love it. I'm the winner. Thank you much indeed, everybody. Well, that's the end of another show. Hope you all enjoyed it. There you go. Another good day on the Day Trader. Do-do-do-be-do-be-do. Whap, whap. I'm the winner, Mike says. Thanks a lot. Well, thanks for all being here. 31 likes today. Pretty good. The markets are up 8% today. We like that. Looking very, very nice indeed. So thank you very much for all being here today. I'm going to get ready for my Ukraine show. Thanks, everyone. Oops, fix that. Thanks for everyone over there on TikTok today who joined me. Link to your YouTube account. Head over to Day Trader on YouTube. Susan Isles, which is Ali, if you could tell people there's 3 ways they can get to YouTube, right? If they click the profile, the icon here, right, there is the Instagram icon, and right behind the Instagram icon is the YouTube link, which is directly to my channel. Also on the profile of my TikTok channel is the All Links button. On the All Links button, it will show you my live feeds. Right at the top of the website, it's got the Martyn Lucas video, and it's got the Day Trader video. Day Trader video is right there. You can click on that. And the other way to do it is just go to youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The actual address on YouTube is the Day Trader 1, not the Day Trader. Okay? Head over to YouTube and youtube.com/thedaytrader1. All right? Thank you ever so much. Susan Isles, which is, of course, Ali, over there on TikTok, as a moderator now on my TikTok channel. Thanks for helping me out. I appreciate it very much indeed. Thanks for tapping the screen. That's it from me. I'll see you all back later. Congratulations to me for winning Day Trader of the Day. 31 likes, 21 watching, and we gained 3 subscribers today. We're at 2,396 today in the show. Good stuff, and we got lots of new followers over there on TikTok with 6,000 likes. All right, the markets are still up. We're at 8.6. We're still rising. I'll be back for the Fed. I'll also be back in 40 minutes. In fact, 40 minutes precisely from now, 41 minutes from now, on the Martyn Lucas channel. Check that out for our live Ukraine show. Take care of yourselves and each other.